Hello, hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Where are we at? Wednesday, Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It is December 15th, if you are just wondering. Um, it's really interesting. My son, Eli, woke up this morning and I was getting ready upstairs and I hear him downstairs talking to his sister, Lacey, and he goes, today's the 15th, right? And she's like, yes. And he's like, 10 more days till Christmas. 10 more days till Christmas. Crazy. So that's kind of easy math there, right? Christmas is the 25th. It's the 15th. We have 10 more days, folks. 10 more days. Anyways, I am so excited. I wanted to jump on and just kind of share some fun ideas. Of course, over on the blog is the link. I posted it in the thread here for this post. So you can see that link up in the comments section or in the description section for the March 2020 Kiwi Club kit. This one was a lot of fun. If for all of you guys that might have remember playing with it, or again, if you've been savoring it. I know a lot of you guys have shared that before where sometimes you're nervous about using a specific kit because you love it. Please pull it out. Find a good use for it. I promise. It's kind of like your best china, right? Like there's always that saying where don't just use your best china for special occasions. Get your best china out because you never know what life might bring. So same way with your paper, don't hoard it, don't save it. If you want to use it, any memories is special for any pictures or paper. That's what I think. So don't savor your paper, pull it out, use it, and take advantage of the beautiful patterns and colors in this paper kit. It was a lot of fun. The thing that I loved about this month's kit was the hexagons. There were so many fun ways that you could use the hexagons. One, you got tons. There were tons of hexagons in this kit, but there were so many fun ways that you could use these hexagons. They were basic geometric shape, right? So layering was really easy. It gave it a really nice background, like a nice placemat to kind of build and layer on top of. And I just felt like the design in general, like when I was creating with this kit, they were just nice, clean, and really focused on the memory. So let's take a look at some of these fun ideas. This is actually an adorable layout here. The name is not here. We're gonna have to find that name and add that to that bottom there. But see how these are just partial ones being layered. I love how Shiloh, see this picture up here at the top? So she just used the bottom of the hexagon and traced it out of one of her pictures. That is simply beautiful. Great place for titles to go into the center. That was a fun page. I remember doing that live. Actually, this was the page. I can laugh at it now, but this was the page that I kind of broke down, and I was just grief because I lost my mother this past year in 2019. Crazy. To think it's already been a year, but I remember doing this live at some point. Anyone that remember, I don't remember what the month was, but so not only do I have memories, are you guys that way where you have like memories of the pictures that you were scrapbooking? So like you're reflecting, right? I'm looking at the pictures and I'm reflecting on those memories in the picture, in the moment. But then I'm also remembering the memories of when I actually scrapbooked the page. So it's like twofold as far as the memories going down memory lane there. Lots of fun. Oh, this is adorable calendar here on this. Oh, so many fun ideas. So make sure to check those out. We'll get those names updated. For some reason on these ones, they're not quite there. Oh, Wanda Green. This is an adorable layout, Wanda. I love, like, it's almost, oh, you did the the patchwork feel that was in the PDF. That was a lot of fun. Another really adorable layout, Wanda. Give some love to Wanda. Shoot her some love on that. Just lots of fun ways. Of course, putting your photos inside of those hexagons was a lot of fun. So again, if you've already scrapbooked with this kit or have those designer templates, and it's been a while because we're talking, it's been, well, so coming up on 9 months since this kit came out. Hopefully you're inspired to pull out those hexagons and layer them with some new memories, new pictures, and use the templates again. Of course, they're a tool that can be used over and over and over again. So lots of fun ideas, not only with this kit, but also ways that you can layer and use those designer templates again if you either get the full kit or the template kit. And if you don't, then hopefully, you know, if you have the rings accessory, you can look at this layout and the design of it, and you can alter the design a little bit, but maybe the placement of where elements are on this page or how many pictures are on the pages or samples, that also can be very inspiring and hopefully motivate you to do a couple of little different things. Oh, I love this big flower and the little small flower coming out of that vase. This was a really fun kit. I remember just falling in love with this. Maria Jones. I love you pulled on that little bit more of that pastel pink, and I love how that's just popping off of that. And it looks like you pulled in an extra background sheet there. That's not in the kit per se, but I love it works. Pull out those scraps of paper, right? Those stash of paper that you might have. This is really cute. I'm also very biased though when it comes to polka dots because I love them so much. Kristen Lawson. This is adorable, Kristen. Is that your mother, Kristen? Or your grandmother on the right? Or is that your mother on the left? I love you, Mom. Oh, yep, it's your mom. How precious. I love it. Special memories. This is a fun design. That's really, really cute. I love the pattern, Carla, inside with the hexagon ring that's on the outer, but then you put a solid, more of a blender pattern, and then you put the pattern inside. And then if you added a couple 4x6 pictures, that would really, really pop. I think that. And of course you pulled in probably some other embellishments that you had, like this bicycle and this little road arrows here. This did not come in the kit, and it just shows that that it's really, really cute. Let me turn off my notifications here so I don't get that. Okay, so many cute ideas. I could get carried away going down memory lane. That's what memory lane does. It's like when you pull out your scrapbook layout or your albums and you just kind of get carried away. I don't know if you guys do that when I'm pulling out my albums to go put a page away to kind of add it to my albums, and then putting away pages ends up taking hours because then you end up looking at all your layouts again. But I think that's always fun. I think at the end of the year, it's actually a good time to pull out your albums. I tend to put one when I want to kind of get the kids reflecting again and just honing in on that connection of all the awesome memories that we've had. I'll put one on the coffee table. This does not work with little kids. Don't put your albums on the coffee table if you have little kids. But then I noticed that when I put them out, like I take them out of the cupboard and I put them out on the coffee table or somewhere, then they randomly will pick it up and look through it. And I just think that's really special, especially with the year that we've all had of 2020. It's good, even the children, to take time to reflect on the many fun experiences we've had in the past years. And that, of course, the current circumstance that we are currently in is just, it won't last forever, right? And so it's just good to kind of reflect on like different adventures and memories that you were taking or being with family, since a lot of us can't be with family right now, and just looking at those moments that you were with family and reflecting on that and reminding ourselves that this too shall pass, right? Lots of fun. Even just using other papers. This is really, really, really cute. I love it. Just fun, different designs. Ooh, I love the little birds coming up on this in different ways. That is pretty impressive, actually, to be able to catch a hummingbird. Your flash must have been really good on your camera or whatever you were taking. And then, of course, for any of those that have those scraps of paper to make some cards. I was about to say for any of you card makers, but honestly, and I know I've shared this before, all of us as scrapbookers should in some way or another be a card maker. And I'm saying that from my own experience, where I always kind of told myself that I was a scrapbooker. But the truth is that if you are a scrapbooker, you already have all of the skill set, the tools, the supplies that you need to make a couple cards. So I highly recommend anytime you finish a layout or a spread or a project to utilize those scraps of paper and to make some cards to have on hand, because you never know when you need a card to have, and or it's good to just brighten the world, make the world a little bit brighter by sending out some cards, because they really have that effect on things. So that is a close look at the March Kiwi Club kit. It's so much fun. I personally loved that kit. So again, if you've already used that kit or inspired by that kit, or I know for me, I'm excited to pull out those hexagons again. I think it would just be so much fun to pull those out. So lots of fun things to do with that kit in general. Okay, let me see here what we have going on as far as comments go. Right, okay. Where are you guys at? See, Sharon says I do both scrapbooking and cards. Good, love it. Good, Sharon. I'm glad that it's your goal to try to use my paper now. That's right. Don't save your favorite paper. I know it's tempting. I know even sometimes I can fall into that mindset, but it's just like the China. You just never know. Why wait for the day that's tomorrow? And if you can use it now and you can use it to its full potential, then just use it. Any memory is worth, even your most favorite paper. I think any memory is worth it. So, okay. And then one thing I did want to show you guys, I had a couple people ask questions yesterday. Let me actually share my page here again. I talked a lot about the Kiwi Club, and I just wanted to point this out, that right here on the blog, which again is in the link of this video, you can click on the learn more about Kiwi Club, and that will just take you over to the landing page, which breaks down the 3 options for the Kiwi Club. So again, we have the Kiwi Club that includes paper and designer templates, or any other special things that might come in the kit. Occasionally we'll throw in some other elements along with paper and designer templates, but you always will get at least paper. Well, you always get paper and designer templates in this 25-month Kiwi Club kit. And then of course we have the 13, which is the templates only club for every month, which is again different each month and exclusive to the kits. And then there's that create a club option that I talked about a little bit about yesterday in yesterday's live. So I just wanted to inform you that you can click on that. And then of course there's some, you can click on like the learn more and it will bring up more details. So I know a couple of guys were asking questions, so that's really good. And then it's just kiwiling.com/Kiwi Club. So that's where you can find that information. So, well, 10 more days. I actually need to get to the post office. It's 5:30 here. And I wanted to jump on quickly, just say hi and to share some fun ideas. Hopefully I can get all my chores and my tasks done. I need to go figure out something for dinner. Yesterday we had cold cereal for dinner. It was kind of a fun for you all. So I need to probably cook something tonight. Maybe, we'll see. I don't know. I love making some soup and I'm feeling like I want a soup tonight. But I just might sit down and play with Hexagon later. It's I'm really inspired by a lot of those samples you guys shared. So thank you so much for sharing in the community, and keep sharing. And if you have, of course, any samples that you've made using the March kit, please make sure to share it with us in the comments or over in our Play to Create group. We posted one there, and we'll get them added to the blog if they're not already there, and we'll make sure that your name is in the title of that photo. So we'll get that updated on that one. So I look forward to seeing what you guys create and being inspired by you guys. I always am. And we will check in again tomorrow. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.